Welcome back to another Cooking with Carmine. Today we're going to do shrimp scampi. So we're going to start out with a little olive oil, and we're going to put our garlic. We're going to deglaze the pan with a little Pinot Grigio. Add a little salt, a little pepper, a little parsley, and we're going to add a little chicken stock. We're going to add some fresh lemon. I'm going to add a little bit more butter to get it to that nice silky texture that I like. And now I'm going to add the shrimp. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. They almost stand up on their own like little soldiers. The shrimp is almost ready. I'm gonna add the pasta to it. Oh, we're gonna use a little spaghetti. It's cooked nice and al dente because it's gonna cook a little bit more in here. Now the shrimp is nice and pink, so we know they're cooked nicely. The sauce is to the consistency that I like. And now we're gonna go to plate. Now you can garnish with a couple pieces of lemon, finish it with a little more fresh parsley, and bon appetit.